Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you off your apps notification guys. This apps notification guys you want to off in your Realme phone, so you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off this app notification in a Realme phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So guys, now time to start video. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to off your apps notification. And guys, scroll, and guys you can see notification and status bar, so guys tap here. Then guys you can see your manage notifications, so guys tap here. Then guys you can see your apps. So which app notification guys you want to off, guys you can off from here. Like browser notification guys you want to off, like calculator, like calendar notification guys, Chrome, like clock notification. So which notification guys you want to off, guys you can off from here in your Realme phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off app notification in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel, and bye bye friends.